Hi everyone.
Hi.
So updating on this on the landscape and our siding. So this side of the wall is completely done.
And I'm eating a cookie.
Yes, good job. So quick review of the siding that we done that was placed. So here is along the side of the north wall. And here we put in a retaining wall, and we had planted some roses, some elderberries, and some hostas. We are still working on the front of the house. The siding is done, and of course here we put on a new stairs.
This is the flower that I love, but it's not my favorite color. But this is the flower that I love.
What kind of flower is that?
I don't know again.
That is columbine.
Columbine?
Yes, this is
But
columbine.
I will show you what the bleeding hearts look like.
Not yet. We have to finish up this. And this is the laced up elderberry, which is going to fruit up. The flowers are pink. Of course, we have our roses. So it's coming along. We still have a lot to do. It's coming along. This side, of course, is done. This is where we are in front of the driveway. We park our cars. So that is done.
Bleeding heart looks like this.
That's the bleeding heart?
Yeah, and it's
And you planted that.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Yeah. And you planted the bleeding heart. Wow, it looks like a heart, and it's beautiful.
And you know,
This is one of the areas I just worked on, just for a planting bed. But the front of the house is still a mess. It is not done. We are still, the siding is complete, but we are still replacing the deck that we have originally had on there, and we are going to redo it. Our next project is to work on this whole area beside the house. First off, we are going to redo those retaining walls to match the one we have put up on the side of this where we just put the siding, the stone siding.
Mommy.
And we are, of course, going to redo all this, and then we are, instead of having landscaping here, we are going to put a brick pavement in the whole area. We did it because in the past couple of years we had trouble trying to control weeds. Grass was growing wild, and we have tractors that couldn't come in certain areas because it's too tight. So we decided just, you know what, just get rid of the grass, get rid of everything, just put a paved brick. So we have not started on this project yet, but we are getting ready to. And I've transported some of the plants that we had in the flower bed, put it in the back of put it back where the pond is at. So, and I'll show you that. But I'll keep you updated to see the progress of what we are doing. So here are the plants that I transplanted to the back of the house, the backyard. So I've dug up some plants already because we're getting ready to move it up. And I couldn't dig this up yet. There's peonies because they're getting ready to bloom, and I didn't want to dig them up yet because I feel bad that once I dig them up, I don't think they're going to bloom like they're supposed to. So I waited to see if they bloom first so I can dig them up. But I don't know. And then these these purple bells, which is Patria's favorite little flowers. She wants that dug up also. So it's a big project. Here's what the front looks like right now. We also had just put in this new brick stone mailbox, which is not completed yet. So that's why we still have the old one. It's still in a working progress. So I think the guys are supposed to come back and finish it up. So the little tour of the landmark. Oh. Here is on the other side of our driveway that we drive through. So we have, I might have to dig this up because our roses get buried in this clematis. Every I think towards summer, it engulfs our roses. So I think I have to separate these and put them somewhere else. Our pear tree, supposed to be Asian pear tree. When I first planted them, I didn't realize that I needed two to pollinate. So I planted just one, and it fruited the first year, and it never fruited again. And I thought it was dying, because the branch just looks like it was dead and lifeless. So I planted this clematis to have it climb on top, to have it climb all over it. So, well, maybe it's a use for something if it doesn't fruit. So then I have this, of course, the daylilies, and my beautiful magnolia tree. This is the beautiful magnolia tree. Đám magnolia. Khmer đừng hào ấy gì. But ông lấy cái hào magnolia tree. Magnolia tree. Cá là hốt, đám nấm cá là hốt. Had it đám cherry. So this is our cherry tree that was planted over, I think, 8 years ago. And that one died. This one died. So that's going to be cut off. Well, this one here looks like it's blooming, and we're going to have some fruit. So this is the other side of our driveway. Just a tour. That's our other crabapple tree over there.
Mommy,
Can I
please talk to?
Yeah, you can talk.
Let's go to the tree house.
We'll go to tree house in a little bit, and this is what it looks like from our other side. And this is the house. So imagine if we redid that. I can't wait. Okay, walking towards the back of the house, we are going to go past our some of my mom's vegetable garden. She's already had started. So, oh, the chicken's not out today. Nobody let the chicken out. So she has, I think, some herbs going on already. Spay, or just spay, yeah. And of course, she has this whole thing of her garden here that she does every year while she enjoys it. Some more cherries. So, đám cherry time tiết, 3-4 đám time tiết. Yeah. លើដើរទៅមាត់ទឹកព្រោះខ្ញុំយកកោះដើមផ្កាពីមុខមកដាក់ខាងក្រៅវិញព្រោះពីមុខហ្នឹងយើងត្រូវដាក់ថ្មវិញដល់ហើយយកកោះផ្កាហ្នឹងកុំឲ្យចោលវាស្ដាយយកមកដាក់នៅខាងក្រៅវិញ So here I transplant some of the flowers already and put it on the side of the bed of the pond. It's the daylilies and the other, I don't know what the other flower is. I think it's yellow. It comes in it blooms in the summer to fall. It's I think some kind of daisies, I believe. And look at this beautiful, beautiful views. I love it every morning I come out. I sometimes make my breakfast here. Well, where the gazebo, where the pergola is. So we are also transforming the side of the pond into like a landscaping flower bed landscaping. See how that works. But we have everything. It's already been tilled. We just need to. I just need to transplant some more flowers. So let's have a closer look. So attached to our pergola, we had this. We just recently had just worked on this. We had somebody walk in. They did the siding. We also had them dig the wall for the shelter house here. So just recently, just a couple of days ago, we just got it done, and I've been working on the landscaping, the flower bed for this area also. So I have my peach tree, my plum tree. They're all dwarf, of course. So far, we got the outside is complete, but we are still working on the inside. Let's go look at the area that I've been working on this past couple of days. So I have stuff already planted. So a view from the front side here. We still have stones and boxes that needs to be thrown away. That was just finished yesterday. So from this side, still working on it. The furniture still haven't been put in. កន្លែងហ្នឹងថ្មហ្នឹងទុំដាក់ឲ្យប្រហែលថ្ងៃហ្នឹងទេព្រោះគេមកធ្វើផ្ទះហ្នឹងឲ្យគេមកដាក់កន្លែងហ្នឹងថែមទៀតមកដាក់ជាងធ្វើចក្រានធ្វើកន្លែងអាំងសាច់ធ្វើកន្លែងដាំបាយហើយនេះដាំបន្លែដាំផ្កាចូលជាមួយគ្នា So I decided to put in, instead of just, you know, flowers, and so I decided to put in some vegetables along with it instead of just something you could eat. So something we can eat. I figured have something nice to look at also. So here, it's a block that's still laying here that needs to be put in. So my eggplant I just planted. It's excited. So going along this I've been working on by myself for last week. Put in walking stone. Yes, put in walking stone. I put in the sedum carpets, so when it grows out, it will fill out the gaps between these stones. So my sweet peas, it's not sweet, but yeah, my sweet peas, sugar snap peas. I have some cilantros, I believe some peppers, and this are my mixed greens. Still needs cleanup, sorry about the mess. And of course Katrina needs where you need.
I just want to talk to you about everything.
You want to talk about everything? Wow. And I just put this up yesterday, the arbor. So I'm going to plant the climbing peas, sweet peas, and the winged bean to climb up here. And this is my roses. We have, what is that? Brussels sprouts. Yeah, Brussels sprout. The other one, the frost almost killed it, but it looks like it's doing okay now.
Mommy?
Yes. Looking through here, so once we have stuff grow up, it'll look beautiful. Mostly something that we can eat also, useful. And once the sedum carpet grows out and fill out between the gaps, it'll look nice. It'll have some colors. We finish up that up. So hopefully, I'll keep you updated. So right now I'm just gonna go finish up do some more transplanting of the flowers to the pond area. See you next time. So the guy is coming back to finish up some the work that he did yesterday. So here he is, working on that. So he's working his way. He usually come early. Today he's come a little late. Maybe he's almost done. So we'll see. But back to my planting. Okay. Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Hold on. Do your cute face.
Mwah.